This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly than brands that use R410A. They use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter, which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote and sleep mode as well as a timer function, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. The units do not use self-evaporating technology, and so periodic dumping of a condensate bucket is required. They are available in either 8,000 or 10,000 BTU capacities and are pretty quiet when operating with a noise level that is much less than that of moderate rainfall. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.